Do you want to know how to fix a broken relationship? No matter what has happened, just about every problem in a relationship can be fixed. Couples can recover from trust issues, cheating and infidelity, arguments that get very heated, communication breakdowns, separations, and even divorce. Constantly fighting and arguing, not feeling understood and distant from each other, differences with in laws and other family members. On this earth, 50 million men hear each year as their wives push them out the door of their homes or into the divorce court. In the last three generations, the divorce rate has increased from 40% to nearly half of all marriages. But although this world epidemic is widely reported, women are supposed to be the relationship experts. They go to therapists, watch relationship gurus on TV, read magazines, articles, or they seek answers in self-help books. But still, their marriage crumble beneath their feet. Why cannot women stem the tide of the divorce and make their marriages work? It is because in the vast majority of cases, it is the man that the women are complaining about. So the problems in the marriage would not be solved until men do something about improving the relationship. Husband must accept the challenge. If they don't, the doors to their homes will irreversibly slam shut behind them. And with the closing of these doors, come to the devastating consequences of the divorce, broken families, financial devastations, spiritual and physical declines, and the damaged children. Prior to the 1970s, religion and culture prevented most marriages from falling apart. Now attitudes are more liberal. Now people says, if you are not happy, get out. And so for many couples, divorce lurks like just around the corner every time, and argument tears apart the sense of the personal bliss. But divorce is not pity. It represents the transformation of love, affection, and sharing patience, understanding and commitment into frustration, anger, distrust, emotional abuse, trauma, grief, and feeling of failure. No one should have to witness marital joy. You don't want to go there. So it is a time to reject the idea that marital unhappiness automatically means that the relationship is over. When the marriage falters, it's our job as guy who innately hate to admit defeat to revive it. We have no other options. Strengthening, improving, and saving a marriage is not something we can do at our leisure. It must be done right. Telepathy is the best, secure, spiritual way to revive any broken relationship. Telepathy has a power to resolve all the knots and ties in between any relations. Telepathy gives you the deep sense of understanding of vibrations of others. It enhances faith, understanding, benevolence, empathy in a people. This course will give you practical ways that you will able to use to heal your broken relationship issues. The proven exercises of this course will be the most divine for your relationship, and you will deeply understand you and your partner. Through telepathy, you can revive your relations without telling anyone anything to your partner. In telepathy, there is no need to using your senses to express your love to someone you like. It is a natural process. It is a process of vibration to express love. As you know, we all are interconnected with vibrations. And the only vibrations are the thing which disturbed in relationship. If you know the process, how you can change other vibrations telepathically, you will able to win any hurt unconditionally. In this beautiful course, you will truly know the telepathic process and will able to use it in your life to heal your relationships. Welcome in this course.